Hey, this is Richard here with the Car Barn, Hurricane, Utah. Just taking a little quick drive in a 2010. This is a Toyota Sienna XLE leather-loaded awesome van. Thought we did a video of this earlier, but apparently that was our 2009 Sienna van we had. Same color and same options. So we're gonna take a look at this up here. Just trying to find a little spot where we can pull out of the way and go through some of the features of this vehicle and point out the condition of it and whatnot. Actually, overall in really good condition. It is again leather loaded, the XLE, and as you can see, hopefully got 113,299 miles on it. The XLE is the upgraded one with the JBL sound. It's got the navigation. It does have the rear DVD and the sunroof, power doors with the keyless remotes and whatnot. So we're gonna pull over up here. It looks like a nice quiet spot. Take a quick look at it. Getting a little breezy out here today, so try to find a spot where we're not gonna be hearing a whole lot of wind noise. So let me turn around. If you haven't come to Southern Utah, welcome you to come visit. If we need to deliver a vehicle to you, we'd be happy to do that as well. The reason we do the videos is so that we can be totally transparent. You get to know as much about this vehicle as we do. It's as if you were here. We want to point out everything that we can about it. If we need to resolve any issues, we can do that, but it gives people confidence to know they can come from out of town, out of state, whatever the case may be. I already know, and I'm going to point out that we may need another battery, or it might just be a loose cable. I did have to jump it a minute ago, so I got a jump box with me, but just letting you know what we know. So looks like a good little spot right up here, a little more out of the wind, right back out of here. So all right, good enough. Don't want to prolong it any longer. Stop and take a look and point out the features real quick. On the inside, we do have heated seats on both sides. A nice layout for controls. It does have passenger and driver side heat and controls for air conditioning and whatnot, as well as, like I said, it does have a navigation. DVD setup is in the back. We're going to point that out. On the steering wheel, controls for the stereo as well as cruise control, and got the nice wood grain trim on the doors and whatnot. Cleaning out a little easy. One of the first flaws I'm going to point out is in the side of the seat is vinyl that can be repaired or replaced as a section. It does have power seats on both sides. The leather itself is in excellent condition throughout the entire vehicle. It is all matching colors. There was a question on that, maybe the lighting, but we're going to point all those features out. Let's take a look around the other side. And the doors do have, if I can remember how to make them work, you have power doors with a key remote as well. Do have armrests for the seats and whatnot. Again, in excellent condition. It does have the pass-through middle seat area. Headliner is in good shape. Here's your DVD player, sunroof, and then going around the other side. It is a nice, clear, pearl white color, and overall paint looks like in excellent condition. Does have the backup sensors in the bumpers, and the I believe we got the power tailgate. Let me make sure on that one. Yep, does have the power tailgate. Looks like you could use another detail. Passenger side, excellent shape here. Like a little bit of a touch-up paint has been done on the side. That might be cleaned up a little bit better. It does have the alloy wheels. And the seats from this side, we're going to take a quick look in the back. That's also in excellent condition. The passenger side, power seat in good shape. For financing, if you need some help with that, we do have all the banks and credit unions that were set up directly through us. you can actually go to barnloan.com. Just fill out an online application. It's real simple and quick, and we can get you the best finance rates available. If you have any other questions, you can reach me direct. My name's Richard at 435-773-2022. Thanks. Have a great day.